In this video, we'll explain what is a Roombr Feed and how to use its features. Roombr Feed is your go-to space for updates and collaboration. Here, you'll find all the published lessons, study materials, assignments, tests, and any updates from teachers. You can watch published lessons in a maximized window, skip, navigate to the next topic, seek through the video, and attend attached assessment tests from the feed. You can interact with others through comments and reply to comments. To comment, simply click on the right comment column, type your desired comment, and hit the Enter button. And use the Like button to show your appreciation. You can filter posts by media files, assignments, polls, and tests for easier navigation. And that's Roombr Feed for you, your ultimate space for learning and collaboration.